had a great experience with my mentor over at La Follette. I taught an AP class, and just having the experience of being in the classroom and just being able to experience failure in some ways, which something didn't go right, something could have been better, and then getting that immediate feedback from my CT was a great experience, and that really prepared me for scenarios like today where some things didn't go the way I planned, but I somehow was able to pivot. So that's something that definitely stuck with me, and that's been helping me over these past couple weeks as a teacher now.
I think the biggest benefit to working under a cooperating teacher is that you're working with a professional in their field who is committed and dedicated to bettering the education system beyond them, and helping the next generation of teachers become the best teachers that they can be.
You're not fully prepared once you leave university in terms of everything for a way. So it's important to get that experience from other teachers. It's important to learn that knowledge, those little tips and hints that you don't necessarily see in a textbook or that happen in real time. So it's an extremely important thing to experience as a student, that way you see it in real time and you get the chance to talk with your CT about it, and also feedback.
I think mentoring the next generation of teachers is important because you get to work with educators who have experience and want to share that experience with others. They want to prepare you for your classroom, and they really value future educators at a time where education or becoming a teacher isn't the most glamorous thing in the world. They are dedicated to this career, and they want you to feel as supported and welcomed and as ready as you can be as you enter your first classroom.